to the 12th session of Basic to Advanced Java series, where you and me are going to learn, code and execute Java problems together. So today we are going to learn how to reverse an integer. In the first session we learned how to reverse a string. We did reverse an integer, but we took that integer as a string. Now we will just reverse the complete integer. The input is an integer, students, not a string. Okay, and in the previous session, we learned how to use an Armstrong number, like check whether a number is Armstrong or not. We are going to use the same logic to reverse a string. I'll tell you how. First we have to create a public class. Let us name my class as rev integer. Let us create public static void main. Now we just have to do simple steps similar to what we did in Armstrong number, but now we don't just want to cube the number, we just have to update it in a reverse order. So what we will do, we will take a number. Let us take 1 2 3 4 5. Let us take a number rev. Let us initialize the number at 0, while our number inside the for loop, after considering each of the digit, it will go until the end of the digit. Okay students, so while num is not equal to 0, our code should run. So how will our code run? I'll tell you. The code will take the reverse, multiply the reverse with 10. This line will shift the digit in 10, like make place for the digit where we have to reverse it. Like here our reverse is 0, so 0 into 10 will be 0, means at the 0th place the number 5 will append. And how will it append? Plus the number at the last. And how did we find the number at the last? We just use the divisibility function by 10 on the number. Now what we have to do, friends, we have to remove the number 5 now from the number, because we have used it here already. So number, not just number 5, for each iteration the previous number will get removed. So number divide by 10. This is the line of code we did this similar line of code in Armstrong number. So now what we have to do, we just have to print our output. Okay students, a minor error again. Again an error. So students, our number is reversed. To be clear, this is not an string, this is an integer. Let us consider another number, a big number. Oops. A too large number. Okay, let me give a smaller number. It's 625. It should run, yeah, 5268. So students, this is a very simple logic. We are just using the logic of Armstrong number. We are not using the logic of using the string builder. We are using the logic of Armstrong number just to reverse the number and add it to a new variable. So students, keep learning, keep practicing. Signing off.